Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy wasn't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me.
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to JVLOGS. This is Plunkett speaking. As you can see, there's natural light coming in. Natural light coming in. I was going to do it on our GoPro camera, but the GoPro is not picking up any natural light coming in from the side. But the digital camera is picking it up, my old camera. So as you can see, this is the GoPro. The grey GoPro is the cheapest one, peeps. So I'm just working what I have to deliver these videos to you guys, because right now, you know, I need to upload, I need to get all the content going. So thanks to all the new subscribers, thanks to all the new gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome to all the old gingerbread and jelly bean. For the people that normally comment on my video, I will respond to because I have a lot of time on my hand. If you have any questions, anything you need me to clarify about Jamaica, or moving to Jamaica or anything like that, that is the most viewed videos. A lot of people have questions where that is concerned, so please let me know if you have any questions and I can go ahead and answer it. I still need to do some research about apartment complexes for people that want to go there. There's so many there that I have to basically go online to check out. A lot of them are not online, but some are, so I pretty much have to ask friends and stuff like that from that are in Jamaica right now to basically help me with that. Now today I want to talk about the Momo challenge that is going on right now on the internet, and this video is geared towards parents. I want you to basically watch this video and understand what is going on. So let's talk about it. The Momo challenge is basically a negative YouTube video that is going around. Hackers basically hack into YouTube for kids. So on YouTube for kids, while children or babies are watching their YouTube videos, there's the video that is being inserted into their video stream. So while they are watching whatever they are watching, say advertisement or something like that goes on. I don't know if it go on because I don't watch YouTube Kid. Well, that video is then inserted into their main feed, telling them, one, to commit suicide, Momo is going to kill you, Momo is going to kill you, how to basically turn on your stove when your parents is not there. So it's basically telling the kids to do negative things, things that can kill them, things that will affect them, because kids basically learn and they watch anything that you tell them to do, or if you can influence them on a massive scale, they'll basically go and try that because they say, okay, this is what this person is telling me to do and I'm going to do it. So we have to be mindful of that. No, the debate is, should kids have internet access? Should kids be allowed to use the internet? And my reasoning is yes. However, we have to parent these kids. We have to parent what they watch. We have to basically ensure that we guide them and use parental control. Application devices and stuff like that have parental control. What is parental control? Parental control is basically, as it states, controlling what the kids watch. So you can basically limit what the kids watch, limit the amount of hours they use a tablet for, limit the content that they consume. So you can put only cartoon, or you can set the timer on it. You can restrict certain things. Even on PC, on computer, you can restrict what kids have access to. You can go into the tablet and check their browsers to basically see what is going on. So that is one thing with parental control. What I do realize is that a lot of parents do not understand, or they're not tech savvy, so they don't understand how to basically use the computer, how to use these tablets. So some of the kids are far more smarter than the adults because we're in a technology age and kids grow up on this. As soon as they're born, people, they want to answer your phone, they don't want a toy phone, they want tablets. They're tech savvy from birth. Kids know that are born in this day and age, they're tech savvy. And you wonder how, you know, what's going on, how can they learn this thing so fast? Well, knowledge is passed down through generation, as we know already. So you're using the phone as a parent or whatever while the child is in the tummy. Some way, somehow they learn how to do it. So by the time they come out, they replicate whatever they learn or whatever that's passed down to them. So instantly they're on the tablets, they're surfing, touchscreen, they're used to it. So I don't know how it works, but it definitely works. and we have to ensure as parents that we are watching what our kids watch. We ensure that we learn about these things, watching news, ensure that if a friend share a video with you, make sure you watch it, because you don't know what is informative and what is not. So with this Momo challenge going around, we have to ensure that we are on top of things as parents. Ensure that you learn about technology, ensure that you know how to use the technology, and ensure that you guide your kids, and also infuse that with the kids getting the outside doing physical activity. Give them internet time. Tell them to go outside, go outside with them, go to the park, let them play, let them have that take part in physical activity, so that kind of helps have balance, so they're not just stuck in the phone only. I know when it's winter, it's much harder for them to go outside, but you can definitely um, take them to the playground in summertime or springtime. Let them go outside and play. So for people to say that kids shouldn't use the internet, no, that's not the case. We're in a technology age and kids have to adapt, and it's going to be better for them. But we have to just regulate it and ensure that we as parents do the right things and govern and guide and protect our kids. Like I said, this is really sad what is going on right now, this Momo challenge, and I can't believe hackers are targeting kids, babies, and telling them to kill themselves and commit suicide. I don't know how many kids have done this yet, but if we don't do something about it, if YouTube don't do something about that, then it's going to cause more problem for the future generation. It's going to cause more hackers to get into YouTube and infiltrate YouTube video streaming service and basically input any type of video they want to input. Like we have seen these things in movies before, where hackers basically get into video streams and input, cut off your feed and input what they want to input into it, and then basically you're watching what the hackers are watching. So we have to ensure that the day and age of technology, we protect ourselves, protect our kids, and ensure that everything is okay with where that is concerned. But that is what I want to talk about. I want us as parents to understand how technology work, and don't be afraid of it. Just learn about it as best as possible. Once you learn about it, then you will have a better understanding of how these things work and what you can do to basically guide your kids and protect them on the internet. As I say, PC have parental control. Every application, software, phones, everything have parental control. You can basically set the parameters for them to not be affected by ever and anything. But this hack is basically targeting kids, and we can't avoid that. There's nothing we can do. They're hackers. That's what they do. They're very intelligent people, and they know how to infiltrate systems. So this is what they did to YouTube, and sending out these scary looking videos, frightening kids and traumatizing kids, and it really cruel. Like I said, if I could find the person that do that, I'd fight them and beat them and just go jail. Just do some jail time, just beat them up and just feel happy and pleased after I just beat them up and punch them in them throat, and stuff like that. But yeah, don't be violent, peeps. Be good. And yes, so I'll end the video right there. Protect your kids again. But I just want to say thanks for watching JVLOGS. I have some stuff coming. As for the t-shirt challenge, like I said, it's only like 3% into the t-shirt challenge. Clearly nobody else want the t-shirt. So I'm going to make up my mind by next week to just give the t-shirt to the 2 persons that are there. If there's a guy and there's a female, if there's only 2 female, I just give you guys a t-shirt and done. Because it's almost 3 weeks and people don't seem to be watching the video or care for it or anything like that. So I don't know if I should post another video about it or take down that one or something. But yeah, I'll get to the bottom of that, or the middle, or the top. But anyway, thanks for watching JVLOGS. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks again for watching JVLOGS. Plunkett, I am out.